Good evening and welcome to Aspire. I am your host, Orion and tonight we have Nancy Cosimini, who is a Senior Vice President at Undercover Wear. Thank you so much for being here, Nancy.
Oh, Christina, thank you very much for inviting me. I'm very excited to be part of this program. My company is all about people aspiring to reach their goals and dreams, so I'm very excited to chat about myself and my company.
Nancy has been at Undercover Wear for 27 years. Nancy, can you tell us about your incredibly long career?
I can, and thank you for dating me, Christina.
Oh, sorry.
Now that everybody knows I've been there for 27 years, but I am actually very proud of that. And you know, when I first got started with Undercover Wear, I certainly did not think that this would be a 27-year run. You know, like most girls in their 20s, where we're trying things and trying to figure things out. Undercover Wear, for those who are not familiar with us, we are an international lingerie, fashion, and romance company. And the company's been around 35 years. When I got started, we were just a lingerie company, and that's one of the things that intrigued me, because I had a passion for fashion, and I knew that was the industry that I wanted to be in, and I loved working with women. So it was something that I thought, you know, I'd like to give a try. And we have always sold our product through home parties and giving women an opportunity to not just experience the product line, but also enjoy a business with this. So I was in retail prior to Undercover Wear and thought at the time that's the route I was going to go, but was trying different things, so I gave Undercover Wear a try. And what made me stay back then, especially as a young girl, was, you know, seeing some of the achievements of women that I was working with, other women that I got to know in the business, the direction of the company, how the company not just sold a product line, but empowered women to go after what they want. As a young girl, as a child, I knew I wanted to do something special in life and impact people. And after actually probably a year or so at Undercover Wear, I kind of realized that this is probably a company that would allow me to achieve that. So, you know, I was there and I was involved in many roles in the company. I've been in the field as well, and that enabled me to really experience what the Undercover Wear opportunity was about. And it allowed me to, you know, make great extra money. It allowed me to stay home with my child that more women want to do. You know, it allowed me to develop areas of myself that I never thought that I would, you know, be able to do. Public speaking and, you know, and training, and I don't know, it opened up lots of doors for me.
You certainly have a lot of passion for this company. Can you tell us how this company empowers women and what the message of this company is?
Well, it's interesting you say the word passion, because I believe with anything in life, the key to success is believing in something and being passionate about it. One of the things I'm very proud to say for myself and for all of the women that I know who've achieved and have been part of Undercover Wear is they've done so because they believe and they're passionate. They're not doing a job, it's what they love to do. And I think that's what makes a difference in life. You know, I have met women who have done a variety of things in life. Women who have stayed home, you know, they're stay-at-home moms. Women who have had other businesses. Women who've had really, you know, tough struggles in life, who've come to Undercover Wear and were able to turn their life around and achieve and make great money and enjoy some of the perks that our company offers, like travel and incentives and furs. And, you know, Undercover Wear being a home party company and a website business, it's not just about making money, it's about achieving all the other stuff and changing your life. And I have been very blessed to know so many women that have experienced that. So I've truly, you know, got a love for what this company is all about. It's an amazing company. It's an amazing experience, I should say.
So can you tell me about how the business works? You say you've met so many people can get into this business.
Right. As I said, we're a home party company, and a lot of people aren't familiar with what that really means. Well, home party companies today, we offer products, and we have an amazing product line that I know we're going to chat about in a minute. And we sell it, bringing it into the home, giving girls a fun girls' night out. Now, do you like to get together with your girlfriends?
I love
yes,
getting together with
of
my
course, we all do. And as women get older, sometimes it gets, it gets more difficult to, go out and do fun things. So to get together with the girlfriends, it's a well-deserved night of fun. So we sell in the home. We can do catalog sales. We can do website is a big part of our business. And it's about enjoying the product line, and women fall in love with the product. So when you become one of our sales reps, you get a discount. Plus, you can sell it to other people and obviously make money. And from there, you can build on that. And we have women who do this throughout the United States and Canada. But it starts with loving the product line.
Right. So how do these women get people to go into their homes and look at lingerie?
Well, it's really talking to women about what you do. Now, I happen to be wearing some of our undercover wear, and I'm wearing one of our scarves, and I'm wearing some of our jewelry line because we do offer jewelry. And it's as simple as someone saying to me, oh, I love your outfit and I love what you're wearing.
I actually do love your outfit.
Well, it's part of my business. And
I love this outfit too.
With undercover wear, I can bring our little boutique into the home, and you can get together with your girlfriends, and guess what? You get to shop for free, and it's a fun time, and you know what? It's as easy as that. That's how we promote our business. It's pretty much word of mouth. It's a fun product. It's a fun concept. Most women are receptive to fun, especially today with busy lifestyles.
Right. And what is the opportunity for women in terms of monetary and prizes and?
Well, most women, most couples today are looking for ways to supplement their income. Whether you work full time or whether you're a stay-at-home, couples we're looking to make that extra money, to put money in the bank and provide for all those extras. And undercover wear allows women to do that just by going out and doing. I always tell girls, by going out and doing an average of 4 parties a month, you can put an extra $700 to $1,000. That's working 4 nights in your pocket. That's really good money. And that's part-time, Christina. There's an opportunity to earn even more, because what happens when I go out into the living room, women are having fun, they love the product. That's how I find girls who actually want to do this. So, the business model is, it starts with loving the product, selling the product, and then inviting others to sell as well.
Well, I'm sold. Can we look at some of the products?
Yes, because I love talking about our product line. It's one of my favorite things to do. And I'm very proud of the products that Undercover Wear offers, because we know what women want. And, a good part of the corporate team that, I'm very proud to be part of, we're women. And we know what women are looking for comfort wear. We know when it comes to, we're a romance company, so when it comes to romance products, we get the woman side of that. We know what men want, but we also really get what women are looking for with, pretty lingerie or romantic lingerie. We have great spa products, and of course, we have a great intimacy line. So when I ask most girls, so what do you sleep in at night? And everyone is, T-shirts, T-shirts, T-shirts. Well, in Undercover Wear, we think you deserve a little bit more than the ripped T-shirt look. So, we have items like our 77.
Oh, that's so cute.
Isn't it adorable?
Yeah.
Now, it's your football shirt, but it's cute and it's fun, because we want girls of all ages to feel good about themselves regardless of what they're sleeping in, even if it's a sleep shirt.
Wow.
And it's comfortable.
It's really soft.
We make sure our fabrications are comfortable, so not only do you look cute, but you feel great. That's really important.
Is there a reason for number 77?
Yes, thank you for asking. 77 is the year that Undercover Wear was founded. So this is actually part of our Club 77, which is one of our signature lines in Undercover Wear that we're actually going to be developing as we go forward into 2014. So we've got the comfy wear, because sometimes when women hear lingerie company, they'll say, well, I don't wear lingerie. You know what? We cover all bases in our company. Now, this is our Calming Lacy, and this is actually one of our best-selling styles right now, because it's pretty loungewear, and it's a great tunic. Yeah. We know that most women, we like to kind of cover some of the areas that perhaps aren't so perfect anymore, so we design accordingly. Again, feel.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. This is very comfortable.
Right?
Yeah.
falls great on the body, looks great on, and
There's lace in the back too.
it has the lace panel on the back.
I love this lace panel.
Yeah, it looks great on. Actually, you could put this on with a pair of strappy sandals, and it's something that you could actually wear if you're entertaining as a little lounge outfit. So again, pretty, comfortable, designed to help women feel good about themselves. Now, because it's the holiday time, we also have our flannel shirt, because again, we all love our comfy flannels. And we
Right.
love to coordinate different prints on the outside, on the inside to make it really fun. So again, comfortable and fun, what girls of all ages are looking for. And this was brought in especially for the holiday season. And then, of course, Undercover Wear started as a lingerie company. So we do have our pretty lingerie. And this is called Scandal. Now, Scandal is one of our best-selling items because it's for the bedroom. And, you know, that's important. For women who are married and in a relationship, that part of your relationship is important. So you should have some special items for those special occasions. So Scandal, black and lacy. Of course, men love it. It's black and lacy. But women love this because it looks great and feels great on.
Yeah.
Plus, you can show everybody, you're actually wearing it as a lace top. And that's another reason why women love this, is because it's very practical and versatile. You can wear it in the bedroom. You can wear it as a lace top.
I
And
actually love this.
it looks really pretty on. And you can add different colors under it, and again, especially for the holiday season. And you know, when you ask about how you generate business, just by wearing something like that, I guarantee that someone's going to say to you, oh my God, I love that. And that's how we promote our business. That's how easy it is to promote our business.
I love this top when I put it on.
Well, it's called Scandal, Christina. So right now you are being very scandalous.
I feel like I'm being very ready to go out clubbing.
But don't you feel good?
I love this. I
Right.
love this. I feel ready to go to dinner with my boyfriend. You know,
Right.
go to a nice restaurant.
Exactly.
Have a romantic night.
You know, we believe Undercover Wear has always been a treat yourself to something special company. That's been our mantra. And because we believe women deserve to do that. And the company, although it's been around a long time, I think that message is even more important today than it was 30 years ago when the company got started. Because let's face it, women are much busier today. So if we're definitely, it's definitely important for us to, you know, make ourselves feel good. And again, that's what our product line is all about, helping women feel better about themselves.
Now, you talked a little bit about you being a stay-at-home mom and being able to do this at the same time and generating income. How can people get into that?
Well, as I said, when I started with Undercover Wear, I was actually just getting married, and I was a typical career girl. And then when I had my daughter, and it took me a while to have a baby, I realized, you know, I don't want to be working the full-time grind. I want to be able to be home with her. So that is when I actually got involved in the field end of this business full-time. So it allowed me the flexibility of, you know, of being home with my child and being a full-time mom, but also still having an income. And I was able to still build a successful business, so I had a great income. And it also, I gained a lot of knowledge about the business, which has helped my career, you know, is being part of a corporate member of Undercover Wear. So, you know, for women who are looking for extra money or looking for something else, you know, it's as easy as, you know, getting in touch with one of our local reps or contacting the company. And the great thing about this is you fit it in, it's designed to fit into your lifestyle. So there are some women that say, you know, I would like to just do website sales. I would like to maybe do a couple of parties a month, you know, or, you know what? I do want something more in life. I'd like to save for my child's college education. You know, we'd like to be putting money in the bank. Women don't often realize the opportunity that this type of business offers. It can offer a six-figure income if that's what you want. And that's what Undercover Wear is about, providing an opportunity to go after those dreams. You know, we like to turn the I wish I could to, oh my God, I am doing it.
You said that, did you start out as a sales rep then?
No, I actually started at the company, and I had to learn the business, and which is how I became a sales rep, because I had to go out and get to know the business. It was part of my training. But what happened was, when I went out and did my very first show, I had a blast, and I made really good money. So I said to them, I'm like, well, I know this is part of my training, but can this be my like part-time thing? So that's how I got involved in undercover wear, you know, from the field standpoint. And I always maintained that part of the business. It proved very, obviously is a huge part of my life when I had my child for many years, and it's still a big part of my life. You know, my daughter is in college now, and most women or people watching the show, knowing the cost of college education today, can be a little, you know, unnerving.
Oh, God.
So, you know, a few years back, you know, my goal was to, you know, put that money away. And, you know, she chose a small private college with a hefty tuition bill. And thanks to my undercover wear, you know, has allowed us to be able to afford that, to send her and allow her to do this.
That's incredible. So that was mostly through field work?
The money that I earned as a sales agent was money that we were able to put in the bank.
Oh.
And it's, you know, it's allowed us to have the extras.
This is actually fascinating. How many people come to these home parties, and how many do you have to sell to like reach a certain
There's no requirements or minimums in this business. I mean, you know, getting together with a couple of your girlfriends and talking about the product is an undercover wear get-together. There's no formality to this business. You know, sometimes it's a great Friday night event for the girls, like, oh, let's do something fun, and we're going to kind of focus on the spicy part of the business, because that's important. And the party is a fun way to learn about the spicy part of the business. So it could be a fun, big party. It could be the girls just getting together for a glass of wine or a cup of coffee and learning about some great products. You know, it could be a Sunday brunch, but there's no requirements. I mean, an undercover wear get-together could be a handful of girls. It could be a living room full of girls.
Wait, you mentioned something about a spicy part of the business. What is the spicy part?
Well, that's our intimacy collection.
Okay.
And as I said, you know, the umbrella for our product line is feel-good products. And so we have our loungewear, our jammies, we have our spa, we have our fashion, we have an amazing little black dress collection, you know, in jewelry. I have one of the jewelry pieces there, and I'm wearing one of our little jewelry pieces. And then, of course, we have our intimacy line, which is for couples and relationships. And there's a variety of lotions and potions and romance items designed to enhance relationships, spice up relationships. I mean, I've been married it's going on 25 years, I can't believe. And, you know, it's a long time. So couples, that's an important part of a marriage and a relationship. And you do look for ways to, you know, get creative and, you know, make it a little different. And, you know, at our parties, we teach women about great products that can do that.
So do you have a favorite product that you use?
Well, actually, I did bring some of our favorite from our lotions. First, from our intimacy line. And this is, you know, just a fun little product for couples to connect. I kind of call it I refer to it as one of our connection products, and it's called Sweet Cravings.
It's a great name.
It is. It is. And really what it is, it's a little flavored powder that you can, you know, play with. Comes with a little marabou poof, and you can, you know, apply it on one another. So we don't need to get into the details,
Okay.
but it's kind of to get couples to connect again and have a little bit more fun, you know, during their intimacy. And this is just one of the different types of products in our Sexy Body collection that are, you know, allow couples to have more fun in the bedroom with. We also have items like from our spa line, which this is our vanilla mint foot souffle. Now, we have an amazing spa collection, and this is great for gals to enjoy, you know, taking care of your tootsies on an ongoing basis at home. We'd love to go get our pedicures and go to the spa every week, but not always going to happen. So we have great spa products that allow women to do that. But also what I love about the Vanilla Mint Foot Souffle is I'm a shoe girl, high heel shoe girl, pointy toe shoe girl, and I'm on my feet a lot. At the end of the day, I get home, and this is one of the last things I do. I do my little foot massage, and the mint in this, it actually helps open up and relax those nerve endings. It releases the stress out of your feet. You can actually feel your feet tingling, so that when you go to bed, it helps relax you. And, you know, in my nice little jammies, makes me feel better about myself. So this is one of my favorite spa products. We also have our Body with Hemp collection. And a lot of gals aren't, or a lot of people aren't familiar with hemp oil products. And it's a very good conditioning system for the skin. hemp oil products have the highest percentage of, it's called EFAs, essential fatty acids, gets through the layers of our skin. It doesn't just moisturize externally. I'm going to have you give me your hand.
Of course.
What it does is it conditions within the layers of your skin. So
Oh,
if
this is
you're,
so
and smell it, and the scent on this is wonderful. So if you're looking for a skin care system that will actually help condition and and keep you moisturized and
This
help
feels great.
with the aging process, this is an awesome line. I've been using this for years, and if for some reason I stop whatever, I notice a difference. I notice my skin getting flaky and dry. So whether it's the winter, dealing with winter elements here in New England, or during the summer, because I tend to be the naughty sun goddess, I need good products. And there's a variety of great products in our Body with Hemp line. So we have, and that, again, designed to
love
make
this.
us feel good.
This
Doesn't
is
it feel
very
good?
soft,
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
I feel
It's a great line.
Right.
And then, of course, going back to fun, we have our Flirty Body collection. And this is a pheromone product.
Ooh.
Now, this one, and
Okay, what does this do? Is this a lotion?
it's a lotion. It's a shimmer lotion. So it has a plumeria
here?
scent. We'll put some up here. You're just going to smell lovely today, Christina. And it has a little shimmer, so I can already see the little bit of glitz. This is actually great to wear with what you're wearing. Scandal, if you apply it on your chest and your shoulders, and it's going to give you a little bit of a sparkle.
It
Smells pretty, and of course it's a pheromone product where that helps with the attraction between the sexes, and that's another reason to actually go to undercover wear parties, because we teach this to the girls. So see, you're just sitting here. I just showed you 4 products. You're already giggling and laughing and loving everything.
I feel all pheromoned up
That's
right
right.
now.
So that's right. You are ready to hit the road, there, Christina.
And see my boyfriend.
That's right. But so we have, with our lotions, we've got Practical and Great Spa, and those are just some of them. We have a great line. We have Fun, and then of course we have Very Bedroom Playful, and it's all about enhancing how we feel as a woman, and when we feel good, we feel better in our relationships. And we are very relationship oriented, where we have great products for couples to enjoy as well. But again, coming to parties, you get to feel the fabrications of the lingerie and the sleepwear. You get to try the lotions, and it's much hands-on, and it's fun. Like that it's fun, and that's where women say, "Oh, I want to have one of these," or "Oh my God, I love everything. I need to have one of these," because you get free stuff as a hostess. And then that's where women say, "You know what? This was a blast. I think I might want to do this. It would be, if I have to go out and make money." Isn't it nice to be able to go and make money and do something that is fun, and you're doing something good for people? And that's why I have been with Undercover Wear for so long, because I've been able to make women laugh and smile. I've been able to help women feel better about themselves. I've been able to help women enjoy as simple as having a fun night out, and I've been able to help women put extra money in their pocket, or change their lives and buy their big new home, or put their child into college, or turn their financial situation around because of what they've been able to achieve with Undercover Wear. And that feels good.
That's great. That's very inspiring. So Undercover Wear seems like it's for someone who's very fun and outgoing and likes to hold parties. Is there some way for someone who's not as outgoing or a little bit shy? My mom's very shy, so she would not hold a lingerie party. But I think she should do something for herself and have her own business. Is there some way for?
Well, remember something. I have been doing this a long time, Christina, and I was not always so outgoing and I guess playful. I'm not sure what the word is, but this business has allowed me to develop that part of myself that I actually didn't know existed. So a lot of gals that get started in Undercover Wear, are not so outgoing. The great thing about a company like ours, we have guides, and we have training manuals, and we have all the helpful items to help someone who just loves the product. That's key, getting excited about the product. To be able to offer that product to other women. And again, you can do it online. A lot of girls will get into this just to do it online. But you can't beat the power of what happens one-on-one with people. People is a big part of this business, I think. But doing this, I know a lot of women who've come into this business very shy and thinking, this is the last thing that I'll be doing with my life, and then here they are very successful.
So women can just do this online, have their own shop?
Well, when you get started with Undercover Wear, you get a website, and so that you can promote your own website, and you know that it's connected to the undercoverwear.com site, and you know the company processes orders for you. But yes, you can have an online business as well. I mean, it's part of the doing business in the world today.
That's a very interesting part of Undercover Wear that is new to me in these types of businesses, because usually it's a lot of field work and like a lot of sales going out there. But what is the advantage for Undercover Wear for having these people have their own websites? Because if someone is interested in Undercover Wear, they can just go to Undercover Wear website, the
Right.
corporate website, as opposed to
Right, and certainly the company, it's about promoting the company. But whenever someone becomes a sales agent, basically they're like a franchise of Undercover Wear. So you decide to do this. We want to help you promote it because certainly it benefits the company. But we're trying to help you promote a business and develop a business. Our business is about helping other women become successful. And by doing that, obviously, it certainly is beneficial to a company. But our mission has always been to help women change their lives and become successful.
I see. So what advice do you have for women in general? Can you give us 3 advice?
Oh my God, absolutely.
Or maybe 5, 10. I feel like you may have a lot.
No, I know. You know what? I encourage women to not settle in life and to take advantage of the opportunities that do exist for them out there. A company like Undercover Wear is an amazing opportunity. We have a solid product line, and it gives women a chance to make some extra money. It gives women a chance to, go after those I wishes that everybody has. I know everyone out there today is looking, to make an extra buck. There are ways to do that. Be passionate about what you want and go after it.
Right. Thank you so much. If anyone is interested in Undercover Wear, can they contact you?
Absolutely. They can find me at Undercover Wear. My email address is nancyc@undercoverwear.com, or they can go to the corporate site undercoverwear.com and let us know that they're interested in learning more about what the company offers.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Well, thank you,
Nancy.
Christina. This is a blast. I really enjoyed talking with you.
And thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you for watching Aspire. Please join us each week as we look through the eyes of our guests as they share their life experiences and how they turned a negative experience into a positive experience and aspire to reach their dreams and